Ever thought about starting your own news channel on YouTube for free? It's a fantastic way to share information, engage with a global audience, and potentially earn some serious cash. The beauty of a faceless channel is that it puts the focus squarely on the content itself. No need to worry about cameras, lighting, or that awkward on-camera feeling. But how do you actually create a free faceless news channel using AI that stands out from the crowd and brings in the big bucks? That's exactly what we're diving into today. So, why are faceless channels, particularly those focused on news, gaining so much traction? Firstly, people crave information, and they want it quickly and easily digestible. Faceless news channels excel at delivering bite-sized news updates in an engaging and visually appealing way. With powerful AI tools at your fingertips, you can create professional-looking videos for free, complete with realistic voiceovers and captivating visuals, all without breaking the bank or spending countless hours editing. This levels the playing field, allowing anyone with a passion for news and a knack for storytelling to share their voice with the world without any cost. You'll learn how to choose a profitable niche, craft a content plan that keeps viewers coming back for more, and optimize your channel for maximum visibility and revenue. Get ready to unlock the secrets of creating a thriving, faceless news channel that captivates, informs, and generates a healthy profit, all without spending a dime. It's time to unlock the power of AI and explore the tools that will help you create a free, faceless news channel. These AI tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, empowering anyone to create high-quality news content without spending a dime. First up, let's talk about AI video creation tools. These ingenious platforms allow you to create stunning videos with ease. Imagine transforming simple text articles into engaging video content complete with visuals, background music, and even voiceovers, all for free. Pictory.ai and InVideo are just a couple of popular free options. Next, we have the Game Changers AI voice generators. Today's voice generators are incredibly advanced, capable of producing incredibly natural-sounding voices in various languages and accents, all at no cost. Now that you have the tools to create stunning visuals and captivating audio, let's talk about content for your free faceless news channel. The key to a successful news channel lies in delivering high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. AI content curation tools can be your secret weapon for finding and organizing relevant news stories without any cost. These tools act as your personal news assistants, scouring the web for articles and information related to your chosen niche. This allows you to focus on what you do best, crafting compelling narratives, adding your own analysis, and presenting the news in a way that is both informative and entertaining. Remember, your audience is looking for more than just the facts. They want to understand the why behind the news. Finding your voice, literally. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the lack of a face on the screen. While faceless channels offer anonymity and flexibility, they also present a unique challenge, establishing a distinct personality and voice without actually showing your face. Platforms like Murph.ai and Synthesia offer a vast library of voices, allowing you to select the perfect tone and style to represent your channel, all for free. Want your news delivered in a warm, conversational tone? Or perhaps a more serious and authoritative voice would suit your content better? The choice is yours. A well-chosen voice will not only make your content more engaging, but also help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. And the best part? You can do it all without spending a dime. Laying the foundation, your channel's blueprint. All right, future news moguls, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start building your faceless news empire using AI. The first order of business? Crafting a solid blueprint for your AI-powered channel. Think of this as your roadmap to success. First things first, choose your niche. What kind of news are you passionate about? Tech, finance, world affairs? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a content plan. This document will outline your channel's editorial direction, including the types of videos you'll create, your posting schedule, and any recurring segments you plan to feature. Don't forget about branding. Even though you're faceless, your channel still needs a strong visual identity. This includes your channel name, logo, and overall aesthetic. Consistency is key here. Choose colors, fonts, and graphics that align with your niche and target audience. And remember, all of this can be done for free using AI tools. Lights, camera, AI action. Creating your first video. With your blueprint in place, it's time for the exciting part, creating your first faceless news video. This is where all the pieces of the puzzle come together: your niche, your content plan, your AI tools, and your unique storytelling ability. Start with a bang. Your first video should be a captivating introduction to your faceless news channel. Clearly state your niche, what viewers can expect, and your posting schedule. Use your chosen AI video creation tool to assemble eye-catching graphics, stock footage, and animations that complement your script. Once you're happy with the visuals, it's time to add your AI-generated voiceover. Ensure the voice you choose aligns with your channel's tone and target audience. Experiment with different reading styles, pacing, and inflections to find the perfect balance between informative and engaging. The art of storytelling engaging your audience. Creating visually appealing videos is just one part of the equation. To truly captivate your audience, you need to master the art of storytelling. Start by structuring your videos strategically. Begin with a hook that grabs the viewer's attention, then provide context and background information before diving into the heart of the story. Use clear, concise language, avoiding jargon or overly technical terms. Remember, you're not just presenting facts, you're telling a story. Incorporate storytelling techniques like building suspense, highlighting human interest elements, and using emotional cues to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats. While traditional news-style videos work well, consider incorporating explainer videos, listicles, or even interviews to add variety and keep your content fresh and engaging. And remember, with AI, you can create a faceless news channel for free, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content without showing your face. Optimization is key reaching your target viewers. Congratulations on creating your first AI-generated news video. Now, it's time to unleash it into the world and attract a loyal following. This is where optimization comes into play. By understanding how the YouTube algorithm works, you can ensure your AI news videos reach the right people at the right time. First and foremost, keyword research is your best friend. Identify relevant keywords and phrases your target audience is searching for and incorporate them naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Next, pay attention to your video thumbnails. They act as mini advertisements for your content, so make them count. Choose eye-catching images or graphics that accurately represent your AI-generated news and entice viewers to click. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community around your channel. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your AI news videos to others. The power of consistency, building a loyal following. Welcome back, news mavens. We've covered a lot of ground, from harnessing the power of AI to crafting compelling stories and optimizing your channel for maximum visibility. Now let's talk about the glue that holds it all together: consistency. In the world of online content, consistency is king. Think of it like this: your viewers are bombarded with countless videos every day. To stand out from the crowd and keep them coming back for more, you need to establish a reliable presence. This means uploading new videos regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. Consistency goes beyond just uploading frequency. It also applies to your content's quality and style. Your viewers should know what to expect from your channel every time they tune in. By consistently delivering high-quality, AI-generated content that resonates with your target audience, you'll steadily grow your subscriber base and establish your channel as a trusted source of news and information, all without showing your face or spending a dime. Engaging your audience, fostering a thriving community. Creating great content with AI is essential, but it's only half the battle. To truly thrive with your faceless AI news channel, you need to cultivate a vibrant community around it. This means actively engaging with your viewers, responding to comments, and fostering a sense of belonging. Encourage them to leave comments by asking questions, soliciting feedback, and even incorporating their suggestions into future videos. Respond to comments promptly and thoughtfully, showing your viewers that you value their input and appreciate their engagement. The more connected your viewers feel to your AI-driven news channel, the more likely they are to stick around, share your content, and become loyal advocates for your brand. Analyzing and adapting, using data to fine-tune your strategy. In the ever-evolving world of online video, data is your superpower. YouTube provides a wealth of analytics that can help you understand your audience, track your progress, and make informed decisions to optimize your faceless AI news channel for success. Regularly review your channel analytics, paying close attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. This data will reveal which news topics are resonating with viewers, what's keeping them hooked, and where your audience is coming from. Use this information to fine-tune your content strategy. For example, if you notice that news videos on a particular topic tend to perform well, consider creating more content in that area. By staying agile and data-driven, you'll be well-positioned to navigate the ever-changing landscape and achieve long-term success with your free Faceless AI news channel. Staying ahead of the curve, evolving with the AI landscape. Congratulations, news pioneers! You're well on your way to creating a thriving Faceless news channel that informs, engages, and captivates audiences worldwide. But the journey doesn't end here. As AI technology rapidly evolves, so too must your approach to content creation. Stay informed about the latest advancements in AI video creation, voice generation, and content curation. New tools and features are constantly emerging, offering even more powerful and intuitive ways to create compelling news content. Embrace these advancements and integrate them into your workflow. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and techniques to push the boundaries of what's possible with Faceless news channels. The future of news is being shaped by AI, and by embracing these transformative technologies, you can create a free Faceless news channel and position yourself as a leader in this exciting new frontier. You've poured your heart and soul into creating a free Faceless news channel using AI that's both informative and engaging. You've amassed a loyal following eager to consume your AI-generated content. Now it's time to talk about the most exciting part: turning those views into cold, hard cash. The most common way to monetize a YouTube channel is through advertising revenue. Once you've met YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. Once accepted into the YPP, you can enable monetization on your videos, allowing YouTube to display ads alongside your AI-generated content. You'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads, which varies depending on factors like ad format, viewer demographics, and overall ad engagement. The key to maximizing ad revenue is to create high-quality AI-generated content that keeps viewers engaged for as long as possible. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more ads YouTube can display, and the more money you'll earn. Beyond ad revenue, exploring alternative income streams for your AI news channel. While ad revenue is often the primary source of income for YouTube creators, it's not the only game in town. As your AI news channel grows in popularity, consider diversifying your income streams to create a more sustainable and profitable business. One popular option is sponsorships. Brands are always looking for new and innovative ways to reach their target audience, and partnering with a relevant AI news channel can be a highly effective strategy. As your channel gains traction, you may receive offers from companies to feature their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue to explore. This involves promoting other companies' products or services in your videos and providing a unique link for viewers to make a purchase. You'll then earn a commission on any sales generated through your affiliate link. If you've built a strong brand identity, consider creating and selling merchandise related to your AI news channel. This could include t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or any other products that your viewers would find appealing. Scaling your empire. Building a sustainable business. Congratulations, News Tycoon! You've successfully created a free Faceless news channel using AI. But the journey doesn't end there. To build a sustainable business, think about scaling your operation. As your channel grows, so will the demands on your time and resources. Consider outsourcing tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants. Invest in professional tools to streamline your workflow. Continuously analyze your data and experiment with new strategies. By following these tips, you'll create a thriving, faceless news empire. The future is faceless. Future news creators, the journey to a free faceless news channel using AI starts now. The future of news is faceless, powered by AI and our thirst for information. Craft compelling stories, engage globally, and do it all without showing your face. Embrace the freedom of being a faceless creator. Innovate and push boundaries. So what are you waiting for? Start your free Faceless news channel today. Ready, set, launch, it's time to take action. Choose your niche, fire up those free AI tools, and start crafting your Faceless news channel. The journey of 1,000 subscribers begins with a single video. Your unique voice deserves to be heard. Embrace the iterative process, experiment, and have fun. Good luck and happy newscasting.